This is current standard seat on A320, very comfortable, the most comfortable on the market. And here we have the new seat, which is even more comfortable, that much wider, and as you can see, not taking the space in the cabin, which means it's a win-win solution for everybody, for passengers, for extra comfort, and for airlines, maximize use of space in the cabin. Over the last 30 years, human body changed. We are bigger, taller, larger shoulder, larger hips. Even our kids are getting bigger, taller when we used to be. So we had an idea to offer extra comfort for people who want to pay for it, and generate additional potential, revenue potential for airlines. Passengers are ready to pay for the extra. Already today, airlines charge additional fees for a specific seat position in the aircraft with the additional legroom. So passenger will pay for extra wide seat, for example, larger passengers or passengers looking for more personal space, or just parents traveling with very young children below 2, sitting on their laps. If I'm traveling for business and I need to work, with the extra seat I will have additional room to work and not interfere with the passenger sitting next to me. We have tested the seat with several airlines, so now airlines are thinking about how to integrate the concept to their business model, and the seat can start to fly in next 18 months.